Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to accept a Zelle payment using Chase QuickPay in the Chase mobile app. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Pay and Transfer or Move Money section. Next, select Zelle or Chase QuickPay. If you haven't used Zelle before, you may need to enroll first by choosing the email address or mobile phone number you want to use for payments and confirming it. If someone sends you money using Zelle, you'll usually receive a notification by text or email. Open the Chase app and go back to the Zelle section. If your Zelle profile is already set up, the payment may be deposited automatically into your Chase account. If the payment isn't automatic, you'll see a prompt in the app to accept the payment. Tap Accept, choose the Chase account you want the money deposited into, and confirm. Once accepted, the money is typically available in your account within minutes. You can view the completed payment in your transaction history. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you accept a Zelle payment using Chase QuickPay, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.